Hi everyone, this is Emo Transported. Today the blouse look is halter neck blouse, new trendy and the most used blouses in the 2025. That is a halter neck with the different colors and whatever the sleeves may be, and you can use this style. This is really trend for your silk sarees in this year. Use the different colors and different prints on the breast area, and the very highlighted one is designing ari work, embroidery work over that area with a halter neck, and it is best for your silk sarees in this year. So definitely try this for your silk saree because it is applause. The blouse designs are lovely for all the trend, all the type of sarees, and just get an idea from this, and do subscribe my channel for more updates.